beginning with the coding part of the async plan. As you are able to see in front of you, a table is there. So in the table you are able to see the color as green and we are able to see certain borders. So I will be starting with the coding part. You remember the first code is always HTML. After HTML it is head, title, and I will be giving the title as Async Plan. And I will be closing the title part. After closing the title part, we are required to close the head and then we require to open the body tag, because whatever we are writing in the body tag will be visible. Remember, the first tag will be table border equal to 1 or table border equal to 1 and BG color equal to, I am giving the color as green. So this is the table tag. There are two attributes which I am using over here. First is the border. When I am giving the border as 1, you will be able to see that the table border will be displayed as 1 and the color of the table will be green. Now you all are aware the first thing that I have to use is TR. TR stands for table row. As we have done in the sync session itself, you might be knowing TR is for the row. So in the first row it is December, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. These are the 6 columns. You remember the columns have to be done with the help of a tag called as TH tag. TH stands for table heading. Moving back over here, TH. I'm just giving December. You can give January, February, whichever month you like, because we are preparing the month. We are preparing the async plan and the async plan is common. So first TH. Then the next TH will be Monday. TH close. Next TH it will be Tuesday. TH close. Next again TH Wednesday. Close TH. Then TH Thursday. Close TH. And then TH Friday. Close TH. And close TR. So the first row will be done. What I am doing, just in order to see whether the code is running correctly or not, what I will be doing, I will be copying the code. And you are aware, the Google sites, we have to go in Insert tab. In Insert tab, we have to click on Embed option. As soon as I am clicking on Embed option, there will be two things, by URL and by embed code. I am copy pasting it there in the embed code and click on Next. Yes, you are able to say December, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Over here, there was one mistake. TH was not closed, so I am closing the TH one more time. Then I will be starting with TR. TR stands for table row again, but now I require to insert TD. What is TD? It is table data. So what is the data? It is essential learning with 45 minutes. So first what I am giving over here, I am giving essential learning. Essential learning. I'll give a BR. BR stands for break. BR stands for break. So when I'm giving BR, the line will be break and I'm writing over here 45 minutes. Or for the attendance, I'm writing 5 minutes. And I'll be closing the TD part. Now next TD. It is attendance. How many times? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So the same code will be copied how many times? 4 times. What I'm doing over here, copying the code. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, and now I'll be closing the TR. One more time, Control A, Control C. Come in the coding part. Replace the entire code and see what will be happening. Yes, you are able to see over here essential learning 5 minutes is given for attendance. Now I'm able to see Monday TH over here. There is some mistake in the Monday code. So what I will be going, the slash part was different. So yes, I'm making the correction and I require to make the correction here also. Sorry, in a hurry I have typed this particular slash. Yes, it is correct now. Now again what I will be doing, I'll be copying from here to here. The code will be very simple, just copy from there, from TR Essential Learning. Now the Essential Learning will be of 45 minutes. Now what is English, Science, English, Science, English? What you have to do, instead of attendance, just type English. Next attendance, type Science. Copy the two code one more time. And the last it will be again English. Now what I will be doing, I will be just copying only this much code. I will be copying only this code in order to see what are the changes. So I'm copying over here, come over here and then paste. Next. Are you able to see English, Science, English, Science, English? Yes. Now what is the next code? The next code is Maths, Hindi, SS. So again copy, again paste, Maths, Hindi, SS. So it is Maths, Hindi, Maths. Copy this, Maths, Hindi, and last I will be typing only SS. From here to here, again copy, Control C in the Google site, make the code visible. The code can be made visible with the help of the pencil sign that is displayed. So yes, Monday, the 3 lectures are done. Now, I will be directly showing you this particular part. Sorry, I will be showing you how to give the under that is dash 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 LEPD dash 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 LEPD and dash dash. So I'm giving you this particular part now, where I have to go over here. The same code is copied, pasted. Now it is enrichment. ENRIC. Enrichment. And enrichment for how many minutes? 15 minutes. As you are able to see, it is dash dash dash. So what I will be doing over here, I will be making dash dash dash, and then it is LEAPD, leaped. Again copy, paste, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, in between I have left one of the row so that I am able to show you all the different types of coding. Click on the next button. You will be able to see yes. So in this manner, you have to prepare the entire Async plan. That is, I have done till here and I have given over here. So there will be 3 more rows, one for SST, one for arts and one for physical education. I hope this particular code was very much available to you and you will be able to code it in a very appropriate manner. Now yes, how I require to close it? I require to close it by closing the table tag, then closing the body tag, and last I require to close the HTML tag. Click on next and click on the insert button. So this is the way in which you are preparing. You will be preparing your Async plan and you will be uploading it. So I hope this particular part was very clear to all of you and you will be able to upload it.